Truth is, you could fill your calendar with meetings without ever lifting a finger. And no, it doesn't mean that you would have to spend thousands of dollars. That is because I'm not talking about hiring an SDR. I'm talking about hiring an AI SDR. And while I reviewed over 30 of AI sales agents out there, none of them beat this one. So in this video, I'll show you how to set it all up, and I'll share the pricing and the reasons as to why it's better than any AI SDR out there. So let's begin. Go to Salesforge and log in. Then go to AI Agent HQ. Here you'll be able to actually hire Agent Frank. Now, not everyone has access to him because this product is not for everyone. So first, you'll need to book a demo. The team will figure out your goals to evaluate if Agent Frank is for you. Now, if you are the chosen one, we can start setting up Agent Frank. Click Add on Onboard Agent Frank, and here you'll be able to select one of two modes. So you can have an autopilot mode, which means Agent Frank will work fully autonomously, or a co-pilot, where you will review and confirm replies and messages generated by Agent Frank. Co-pilot mode is for people who still don't trust AI. But if you want full hands-off process, full automation, go with autopilot. Now what you'll have to do is add your company website. You do this so Agent Frank can actually learn about your product, about your company, to know the information it needs to, to do outreach. Second, you'll select a product. Most likely you won't have created one, so let's create it. The product is basically the thing you're selling, your service, your product, whatever it is. You add your website, again, Salesforge AI, and you click generate. The product information will be used as one of the variables in relevant hyper-personalized cold email generation. So basically during outreach, the AI will use this information about your product, the pain points it solves, the cost of an action, the solution, the proof, like case studies. It will use this information in the email to hit the prospect with most relevant pain points, desires, whatever it is, to ensure the highest chance of reply rate. Now let's name this product Salesforge Agent, right? Test, lead generation agencies, sales managers. We do that. We add a product name, Salesforge. We have language set up, all good. Save changes and close. So the product is one part that Agent Frank will use, and the LinkedIn and website information of your prospect is the second part of the information that Agent Frank will use to make sure the emails are super relevant to your prospect and are personalized to them, right? Language, select American English, and then upload a knowledge base. Knowledge base is needed to handle objections, handle replies, all of those, simple questions about your product, like, hey, what's the pricing? What does this do? Yada, yada. So here you add docs about your company. You can add all the FAQs, like I said, docs, SOPs, whatever it is, you add here to help the AI answer questions on behalf of you. And it can be just simple TXT documents or PDFs. Add file and close. Once that's done, you'll be able to save it and connect your mailboxes. The number of mailboxes you connect depends on how many contacts you want to reach out to every single month. Now, active contacts like 1,000 doesn't mean that you'll only reach out to 1,000 prospects every single month. This is the amount of active contacts in a sequence, basically the ones that will be reached out to, will be followed up to. Of course, after it's done, you can add 1,000 other contacts to reach out to, or let Agent Frank scrape those contacts himself, which is what I'll show you in the second tab, right? So let's leave 1,000, and now we need to add our mailboxes. Agent Frank right away tells you how many mailboxes it needs for sending, because it follows the best email sending practices. So it says we need 10, and you can either handle it all with a MegaForge bundle simply by adding company website for redirection and adding and creating random mailboxes like this, right? You just upload an image, add a signature, and you can confirm, and mailbox is created. Same goes with InfraForge, right? You can do it with InfraForge, add domain masking proxy if needed. Again, create random mailboxes, add a signature, and you'll have your mailboxes ready in literally seconds. Or if you already have mailboxes on your Salesforge account, you can just select them here and use your current ones. So let's add a couple of mailboxes. It says we need 10, so let's select 10. Here we go. Next. And now we are in the contacts tab. Like I said, you can upload your own contacts that you want to reach out to, or you can let Agent Frank find leads for you, which is an insane thing. You won't need to fiddle around with any, I don't know, lead scraping, lead buying, right? So Agent Frank has a couple of options. Like I said, you can upload your own leads if you want to target them, or you can just simply set up your ideal customer's profile. So you add job titles like sales manager, head of sales, right? Contact locations. Basically, you set up as if you were searching for leads in any other software. Headquarters, office location, doesn't matter. Industries, doesn't matter. Company keywords, no. Technologies, doesn't matter as much. Company size, let's say from 0 to 250 or 200. And that's good. Another option is followers. Basically, you can link any company page from LinkedIn and it will scrape all the company followers, right? And you can filter out by location or job titles, or you can find lookalike leads. So basically, you add a domain of your current best client and it will find leads that look like your current client, basically lookalike leads, right? And it will extract contacts from that company. Whatever option you go, doesn't matter, it's still amazing, right? You click save, and now you'll be able to set up Agent Frank's goal. Basically, what do you want the agent to push to? Do you want the agent to schedule a meeting? Do you want agent to send a link so it's clicked, or forward the email? Whatever it is, right? So best for conversion is to ask Agent Frank to receive the meeting link, basically from the prospect, right? But like I said, you can do anything. You can either ask Agent Frank to send a link, send a meeting link, request a referral, or simply start a conversation. But if you do receive a meeting link, you can edit how much value this action generates to you, so you can keep tracking for analytics. Let's say $500, right? Then you can select additional personalization sources. So on default, Agent Frank uses LinkedIn of your prospect and the website of their company, but you can use like general website information, even blogs and LinkedIn posts, right? And other settings like stop sending on reply. So if you're reaching out to multiple prospects from the same company, if one of them replies, Agent Frank will stop reaching out to the rest of them. You can turn that on. You can add company limits or sequential sending. Basically, instead of reaching out to everyone in the company, it will reach out one by one. Then you can edit the time zone of agent's availability. You should do it in your prospect's time zone. Select the email's length, whatever works better for you. I say short is best. And additional settings like localized greeting, which highly increases the reply rate. Auto switch languages if your prospect uses a different native language than what you set up, right? Based on prospect's LinkedIn or reply language. Localized opt-out link and re-engage prospects. And after this, you'll be able to preview a message by Agent Frank. And we're almost done, literally. Can you imagine that we're almost done setting up an AI SDR that will automatically set up the infrastructure, find leads, reach out to those leads, ask them for a booking link, will book you in based on availability on your calendar, flooding your calendar with meetings and helping you close deals. Can you imagine that? Now, okay, select the tone you want. I'll go with hilarious, and Agent Frank will generate a few samples. Here we go. It generated an email for Aaron. It's all about that mix of growth and killer guest experience. Salesforge lets you ditch the cold templates and send out emails that actually sound like your team, using LinkedIn data to match with each lead. No more group sales sleepwalks. Just real replies that don't end up in spam. Nice. Insane, right? Now, if anything, you can customize Agent Frank by giving him custom instructions, but in this case, we won't do anything. And now you can complete, and Agent Frank will be live, reaching out to your prospects, booking meetings, and being an amazing part of your team. Now, as I said, I'll share the pricing of Agent Frank. Unlike other AI SDRs that cost you thousands, Agent Frank will cost you a fraction of that. Believe it or not, but Agent Frank starts at $500 a month, allowing you to reach out to over 2,000 contacts every single month, as little as 25 cents per contact. It is insane value on the dollar. I mean, if you're still not sure, book a demo with our team. They'll walk you through everything, answer every single question you want, and will help you get started sending out cold emails, booking meetings, and making sales. But of course, if you'd rather do everything yourself, you can use Salesforge to do that. And I made a tutorial on how to send 10,000 emails every single day using Salesforge right here. So take a look. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.